Well, this week on Dateline Schools, we're visiting Marysville High School. That was the scene of a special school safety training program about threat assessment. And this week we have the opportunity of talking with the presenter of the program, Courtney McCarthy from Salem, Oregon. And Courtney, how do schools determine whether they need to take the full steps that you talked about, or when maybe it's not really that serious of a threat that they hear about?
Sure. Well, schools should get some kind of training in what the risk factors really are for targeted violence. So when they have a student who makes a threat or is engaged in other concerning behavior, they can consider what those risk factors are. If they're seeing warning indicators, then that would be a good time to proceed with the full threat assessment.
Is this a pretty long, dragged-out process, or something that's done pretty quickly? How does that work?
The objective is for this process to happen very quickly. So instead of it being a process that takes a long time, we want schools to be able to engage their system very quickly in order to do safety planning to keep everyone safe.
Is this something that's just done with the school folks, or are there other people from the community brought in to help?
Yeah, so the goal is to get community partners on board, like law enforcement, mental health, and juvenile justice, to be part of the solutions and management of these situations, because really the whole community needs to be involved in solving this problem.
Do you find that in your district that everybody's pretty cooperative in helping to work with this?
Absolutely, and we've been doing this work for a long time, so we've established those relationships and just have strong partnerships in our schools and in our community.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.